presentation to make. So it is my pleasure and privilege to be here standing introducing you the person who is sitting there here. We have a small delegation, a family from India. The father is Mr. Rajesh Kalra and mother Mrs. Anupama Kalra. Daughter is Aksha Raj Kalra. They are from Delhi. The daughter Aksha Raj Kalra, she is 10 years old.
Yeah,
She started showing signs of being gifted as from 9 years old. She's already internationally known figure. The father is already a record man, having conceptualized and created the world's largest soap carpet. So we've met with the family sometimes back, that's last week by, I think Friday we met. We've conveyed the messages to the minister, Honorable Minister, and the minister, once he gets something like this, so he grasps the opportunity as usual. And this as an opportunity to introduce, to share with you all on the theme of innovation and creativity. So, as you know, the minister is always here to give incentives to all those who can get on this track. So we are here today for a short demonstration. So to give more details about what Kalra is going to demonstrate to us, I'll pass on to the mother. She's going to introduce and give a better idea of what's going to take.